In Denver, crews were called to the governor's mansion at 8th and Logan yesterday to remove a tree that fell onto the roof. It's unclear how much damage it caused, but video from photojournalist Tony Spahar shows it had shattered at least one window on the second floor. And two uprooted trees south of City Park in Denver toppled onto a couple of cars overnight. This blocked the road near 11th and Adams for some time.
Meanwhile, a family in Denver's Hilltop neighborhood is also thankful no one is hurt after a toppled tree pierced through the ceiling of their living room right over their heads. As they told your reporter Olivia Young, it was a frightening experience.
If a tree falls during a high wind event, does it make a sound? Well, the owners of this home say the answer is yes.
Well, it just made a bang.
John Simonet was dozing off while reading on the couch around midnight when he heard it.
And then I heard this bang. I figured, what is that? And I looked up and I saw these branches come through the ceiling.
Just feet above his head, broken branches had punctured the roof and ceiling. Insulation and sheetrock rained down.
As you can see, they are, wow, ugly and terrible.
Good husband that he is, Simonet cleaned up the debris and waited until morning to wake his wife.
My wife was already asleep, and so this morning I woke her up and I said, we have a little surprise. And she was shocked.
Outside, the picture became clear.
This will blow your mind.
A 60-foot tall tree had fallen onto the home, damaging the new roof put on the home just 2 weeks ago. The evergreen was so big it flipped a sidewalk, damaged a shed, and knocked over an aspen tree.
And it fell between the house and the fence. We were fortunate.
Planted 70 years ago, the large tree leaves a hole in the home in more ways than one.
I just felt sad because it's been here all these years since we've been here for over 25 years, and it's a nice tree, provides shade, privacy. It was a big event.
Monday, the tree company and the roofers will come out to assess the damage and see what needs to be done. The family hopes to plant more trees in the place of this one. In Denver, I'm Olivia Young, covering Colorado First.